In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize receipts on your Shopify store, helping you provide a more personalized shopping experience for your customers. Adding a custom touch to your receipts not only enhances your brand's image but also improves customer satisfaction. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make these changes smoothly and professionally. First, open your Shopify admin panel and log into your account. Once you're in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left of your dashboard. This is the control center where you can manage various aspects of your store, including payment and receipt settings. After clicking on Settings, search for Notifications. You'll find a comprehensive list of all the notifications your store can send, ranging from order confirmations to shipping updates. Now, look for Order Confirmations. This is the section where you'll be able to customize the receipts that will be sent out to your customers via email. Select the specific order confirmation template that you need to edit. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to understand what the default receipt looks like. Spend a moment browsing through the text to familiarize yourself with its layout and details. This will help you know which parts you might want to modify and personalize. To start customizing, click on the Edit Code option. This is where you can make text changes and add HTML to style the receipt according to your brand's identity. If you're not familiar with coding, don't worry. A small adjustment, like including a personalized thank you message or offering a discount code for a future purchase, can make a big difference. Make sure whatever changes you make align with your brand's voice and tone. As you customize the receipt, consider adding your store's logo for a professional touch. This enhances the visual appeal and boosts brand recognition. To do this, you can embed your logo's image URL directly into the HTML code. Be sure the dimensions and file size are optimized for email to ensure fast loading times. After completing your customizations, always preview your changes before hitting save. This is a crucial step that allows you to ensure everything looks good and spots any potential issues. Utilize Shopify's preview function to see exactly how the receipt will appear in your customers' inboxes. Look out for any alignment issues or misspellings during this review. Once confident with the changes, proceed to save the template. It's always prudent to test the receipt by placing a dummy order to see the real-world results of your customizations. This allows you to experience firsthand how your customers will perceive your effort in making the transaction process more engaging. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to create custom receipts that stand out and deliver a fantastic post-purchase experience on Shopify. Implementing these changes not only reinforces your store's brand identity but also leaves customers with a memorable impression. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in elevating the shopping experience on your Shopify store.